What's going on, guys? Happy Wednesday. So, debut of Carolina Crusher. Yep. Now we are going to do video number 11 of my night crawling series with this guy. Yeah. Freaking cool. So yeah, I'll get a battery going and we'll get it on the course. Be right back. Alright guys, here we go. This is going to be pretty sketchy because I have no lights on the truck, so this might not go very well. Carolina Crusher, freaking awesome. Yeah, you guys can hardly see him now. He's back there. Very difficult with no lights on the truck. Oh, getting stuck. Come on, get out of there. Oh no. There we go. What is going on? Oh. Struggle. Struggle, struggle, struggle. So cool. Going through gate 2. On our way to gate 3. Gate 3 through here. Oh no. There we go. Ho ho ho. No penalties so far, guys. Stinking sweet. Uh-oh. Oh no, battery dead. Hold on, guys. Okay, here we go. That was gate 3, guys. No penalties. Although I should start giving myself a penalty for not having a fully charged battery in the truck. But it happens. This happens to me a lot. I get home from work and I forget to make sure the batteries are all charged. That gate right here, gate 4, is getting kind of wide. There we go. All right. So stinking sweet. Oh yeah. That was gate 4, guys. No penalties so far as we work our way to gate 5, which is extremely dark. Holy cow. Wow. That is really dark through here, guys. There we go. There's some light on the subject. Oh, as I take down my light pole. There we go. I gotta get that wire buried. Way to gate 6. Getting through that tunnel over here underneath the campsite is going to be kind of tricky. Not having any lights. We do. Going down to gate 6. With no other lights but the street lights. Kind of cool. No penalties so far. Oh, got one right there. One penalty, guys. One penalty. Might have to have a tie-breaking series, because I think it's tied right now with Bigfoot with one, Dad's Jeep with one, and Dad's Deadbolt with one penalty. Gate 7, and now we work around to gate 8. This thing is pretty capable. It's not nearly as top heavy as Son of a Digger. Oh. Maybe it's because it's a truck and the other Son of a Digger is like a panel van type deal. Okay. Now it gets tricky. Trying to get through here. Oh, climbing up the wall. This might be pretty tricky. Oh. I'm in there sideways, guys. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, here we go. There we go. Gate 8, guys. Oh boy. That was a close one. So I actually failed to mention when I did the debut video of this truck on Monday, the rear drive shaft on this thing is actually, because I didn't have any other drive shafts that would work because of the length of it. I didn't have a front drive shaft out of the Jeep or the C10, so I had to rob a drive shaft from my Enduro 24. So yeah, if you guys need a drive shaft and you have an Enduro 24, you can use it, because that's what I used for the rear drive shaft on this truck. And working our way to gate 9, guys. Gate 9. Oh, look at that. With ease. I'm way off centered. Uh-oh. I must have spoke too soon. One penalty so far, guys. One penalty as we try to get up this teeter-totter. I think I might be working on another penalty here in a minute. There we go. Oh yeah. This is actually kind of cool not having lights on the truck. Boom. One penalty so far, guys. One penalty. Ooh, yeah. Freaking cool. Ooh, almost drove off the edge. Kaboom. Carolina Crusher, guys. One penalty. Three-way tie. Freaking sweet. So there it is. Video number 11. Carolina Crusher. Freaking cool. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Yeah, three-way tie. So we're going to have to probably do a tiebreaker video or something. But, yeah. Hit the comments up in the comment section. Subscribe. Hit the bell. And we'll see you on Friday. Take it easy, guys.